Rice. A word so simple, yet it carries with it a world of meaning and significance. A simple word, yet it evokes images of lush green paddies stretching as far as the eye can see, a testament to the labor and love poured into every grain. Rice is more than just a food source, it is a way of life for billions around the world. It is the heartbeat of many communities, the foundation upon which daily life is built. From the bustling streets of Bangkok where vendors serve steaming bowls of rice dishes, to the serene countryside of Vietnam, where rice paddies paint the landscape, rice is the staple food that sustains entire cultures. Harvesting rice is the culmination of months of hard work and dedication. It is a process that demands patience, precision, and perseverance. It is a time of great anticipation and celebration, marking the end of one agricultural cycle and the beginning of another. Festivals and rituals abound, celebrating the bounty of the harvest. The process, passed down through generations, is a delicate balance of tradition and modern technology. Elders teach the young, ensuring that ancient methods are not lost, even as modern machinery makes the work more efficient. In this essay, we will journey together through the various stages of rice harvesting. From the planting of seedlings to the final harvest, each stage is crucial and fascinating. We will explore the traditional methods, marvel at the advancements in technology, and understand the importance of this crucial process. The threshing, milling, and processing of rice have evolved, yet the essence remains the same. Join me as we delve into the world of rice, a grain that holds the key to sustenance for a significant portion of humanity. From field to table, rice is a journey of life, culture, and survival. Before the first grain of rice is harvested, meticulous preparation is essential. The timing must be perfect. Harvest too early, and the grains will be underdeveloped. Harvest too late, and the grains may shatter, leading to significant losses. The first step is to check the moisture content of the rice grains. Ideally, the moisture content should be around 20 to 25%. This ensures that the grains are dry enough to store without spoiling. Farmers use various methods to determine moisture content, from traditional techniques like biting into the grain to modern moisture meters. Once the moisture content is deemed suitable, the fields are prepared for harvest. This may involve draining the fields if they were flooded for irrigation. Draining the fields allows for easier access for harvesting equipment and helps to dry the soil, making it easier for machinery to operate. The moment of truth has arrived. It is time to harvest the rice. Traditionally, this labor-intensive process involved cutting the rice stalks by hand using sickles. Farmers would bend over for hours on end, carefully cutting each stalk and gathering them into bundles. These bundles were then threshed, a process of separating the rice grains from the stalks. Traditional threshing methods involved beating the rice bundles against a hard surface or using animals to trample on them. While these methods were effective, they were time-consuming and physically demanding. Today, the scene is quite different in many parts of the world. Modern rice harvesting is a highly mechanized process, with combine harvesters taking center stage. These impressive machines cut, thresh, and clean the rice grains in one swift operation, significantly reducing the time and labor required. The introduction of combine harvesters has revolutionized the rice harvesting process. These powerful machines are a testament to human ingenuity, combining multiple operations into one efficient package. A combine harvester is essentially a moving factory on wheels. As the combine harvester moves through the rice field, a rotating reel gently guides the rice stalks towards a cutting bar. The cutting bar slices through the stalks, and a rotating auger then feeds the cut stalks into the machine. Inside the combine harvester, a threshing drum separates the rice grains from the stalks. The separated grains then pass through a series of sieves and blowers, which remove any remaining debris such as straw and leaves. The clean rice grains are then collected in a storage tank within the combine harvester, ready to be transported from the field. Section 5. Drying and threshing, separating grain from chaff. Even with the advent of modern machinery, the journey from field to table is not over yet. After harvesting, the rice grains need to be dried further to ensure their long-term storage. Traditionally, this involves spreading the rice out on mats or drying floors to dry naturally under the sun. While sun drying is still practiced in some regions, mechanical drying is now more common, especially in large-scale rice production. Mechanical dryers use heated air to reduce the moisture content of the rice grains to a safe level for storage, typically around 12 to 14%. Once the rice is adequately dried, it undergoes a final cleaning process to remove any remaining impurities. This may involve using a series of sieves, aspirators, and destoners to separate the rice grains from any foreign objects. Section 6. Storage, protecting the bounty. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the quality and prevent spoilage of the harvested rice. The storage facilities must be clean, dry, and well ventilated to prevent the growth of mold and insects. Rice is often stored in large silos or warehouses where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. Before storing the rice, it is essential to control pests. This may involve fumigating the storage area or treating the rice with insecticides. Regular monitoring for signs of pests is essential to prevent infestations that can decimate stored grain. The journey of rice from the paddy field to our plates is a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. It is a story of tradition and innovation, of hard work and dedication. Section 7. The importance of an efficient rice harvest. The importance of an efficient rice harvest cannot be overstated. Rice is the staple food for billions of people worldwide, and a successful harvest is crucial for global food security. An efficient harvest ensures that a maximum yield of rice is collected, and that losses due to spoilage or pests are minimized. Furthermore, an efficient harvest has significant economic implications. For many farmers, especially smallholder farmers in developing countries, rice is their primary source of income. A bountiful harvest translates to improved livelihoods, better access to education and healthcare, and a brighter future for their families. Moreover, an efficient rice harvest contributes to environmental sustainability. By minimizing losses and using resources efficiently, we can reduce the environmental impact of rice production. This includes reducing water usage, minimizing the use of pesticides and fertilizers, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Section 8. The future of rice farming. Looking ahead, the future of rice farming is likely to be shaped by several factors, including climate change, population growth, and technological advancements. As the global population continues to rise, the demand for rice, a staple food for billions, will also increase. This necessitates innovative approaches to ensure sustainable and efficient rice production. Climate change poses significant challenges to rice production, including increased frequency of extreme weather events such as droughts and floods. These unpredictable weather patterns can devastate crops, leading to food shortages and economic instability for farming communities. To adapt to these challenges, researchers and farmers are working together to develop climate-resilient rice varieties that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. This collaboration is crucial for creating innovative solutions that can be implemented on a large scale. These new rice varieties may be more tolerant to drought, salinity, or pests, ensuring a stable rice supply even in the face of climate change. By focusing on genetic improvements, scientists aim to enhance the resilience and productivity of rice crops. Another area of innovation is precision agriculture, which uses technology to optimize farming practices. This approach allows for more efficient use of resources, reducing waste and improving crop yields. Sensors, drones, and data analytics can help farmers monitor crop health, optimize water and fertilizer use, and detect pests and diseases early on. By leveraging these technologies, farmers can make informed decisions that enhance productivity and sustainability. These technologies have the potential to increase yields, reduce costs, and minimize the environmental impact of rice farming. By adopting eco-friendly practices and advanced machinery, the future of rice farming looks promising, ensuring food security for generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion: A grain of hope. The journey of rice, from the paddy field to our plates, is a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Each grain of rice carries with it a story of resilience and perseverance, cultivated through centuries of agricultural evolution. It is a story of tradition and innovation, of hard work and dedication. From the ancient methods passed down through generations to the cutting-edge technologies that enhance productivity, rice farming embodies a blend of the old and the new. As we have seen, harvesting rice is not merely an agricultural process, it is a vital link in the global food chain, impacting billions of lives. The meticulous efforts of farmers and workers ensure that this staple food reaches our tables, sustaining communities and economies worldwide. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, such as climate change and a growing global population, the importance of sustainable and efficient rice production will only continue to grow. Adapting to these changes requires innovative solutions and a commitment to preserving our environment. By embracing innovation, supporting our farmers, and making conscious choices as consumers, we can help ensure that rice continues to nourish humanity for generations to come. Our collective actions today will shape the future of food security and environmental sustainability. The next time you enjoy a meal with rice, take a moment to appreciate the journey of this humble grain. Reflect on the hands that have toiled to bring it to your plate and the intricate processes involved in its cultivation and distribution. It is a journey that connects us all, reminding us of the interconnectedness of our world and the importance of safeguarding our planet's precious resources. Together, we can cultivate a future where every grain of rice symbolizes hope, unity, and sustainability.